Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible 3LT in Victory Red on titanium gray interior with ebony accents. So we'll just start over here at the trunk. I'll let you have a look. So here's the trunk with the convertible top down. So it's got the partition there that's in place. And as you can see, it's a nice sized trunk for a convertible. We've got a storage compartment down there. We've got a license plate bracket there, and another storage compartment down here. We've got the netting here, and we'll go ahead and close this up and have a look from the back. What a nice car. It paints in really good shape, as you can see. It's got the dual tip or quad tip exhaust there. Looks great. We've got the circular tail lights. We've got the reverse lights down below. And we'll just swing around this side. So here's your rear wheel. So we've got nice brand new Pirelli tires on there. Brakes look good. So we've got painted rotors, painted calipers, nice red calipers there on the side. Looks great. So we'll step over here to the passenger side. Here's the passenger side door. So there's that titanium gray on the bottom with the ebony on the top. Great color combination. We've got the Bose stereo there down at the bottom. We've got power windows here. We've got an electronic door release button there. We've got our power locks as well. And have a look at the kick plate. It's in great shape, as you can see. And I'll just scan up the seat so you can see the condition of the passenger seat. Fabulous condition, as you can see. Looks great. And on the side there with the 3LT, we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar and side bolster adjustment, and then manual recline. And I'll just hop in. So as I get in, just have a look on the door frame, nice and clean. And let's look in the glove box. So we do have the books. There it is, the Corvette book. So that's there. And we've also got the laminated original window sticker for the car as well. So we'll close that up. There's the embossed Corvette logo in the dash. And have a look at the dash. Dash is in great shape, as you can see. Looks great. So let's hop out, close this side up, and I'll just start back here and kind of scan down this side. Wow, what a nice car. Looks great. We've got the little vent here at the front, and here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, looks great. Nice brand new Pirelli tires, painted calipers and painted rotors. So here we are under the hood. So as you can see, it's nice and clean, looks great. This is the LS2, which is a 6-liter, 400 horsepower V8 engine paired to the 6-speed Borg Warner manual transmission. So that's great. So we'll go ahead and we'll close this up and we'll have a look from the front. There it is from the front. Nice looking car. And again, we've got that license plate bracket in the front. So if you choose to get an undermount, you can. They do affix with 3M. You can put that on, or we can put it on for you. We've got the nice fog lights down below. We've got the nice HID projector headlights above. There's a couple minor little stone chips that have been touched up. You know, just little guys here. They are there. I mean, you can't really see them unless you're looking for them, but we did want to point them out to you. So we'll just swing around to this side. Here's your front wheel. So again, no curb rash, looks good. Nice brand new Pirelli tires, painted rotors and painted calipers. And same thing back here on the driver's side. Looks great. So at the driver's door, we've got the 2 user memory. So we've got 1 and 2, and then in the center button is an exit button. So you program that how you would like the seat when you exit the vehicle. So if you want the seat to move back when you turn off the car and you're gonna get out, you can do that with that center button. We've got power locks, we've got our power mirrors, we've got our power windows, electronic door release, and again, a nice Bose stereo. So have a look at the kick plate on this side. Looks like it's in fairly good condition, a couple minor little scuffs, but that's what it's there for, so it's working. So we've got power fore, aft, up, down, power side bolster and lumbar adjustment, and again, manual recline. And have a look at the condition of the seat. Isn't that fabulous? Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. We'll go ahead and get in and start this one up. All right. So we've got no warning lights, no issues on the dash. We have 86,480 kilometers, nice and low. Looks great. And then on this side here, we've got our favorite buttons, we've got our volume buttons, we've got our track change buttons, We've got the nice Corvette logo here in the center. You've got cruise control here, so on and off and set. You also have your headlight control and your fog light control. Here, I go over this side. So there's your headlights and there's your fog lights. And we'll go ahead and just shut that off for a second so you can see there's your heads up display. And if I hit page, it's page, yeah, we can change what's displayed. So that's cool. And there's the controls there for it. Mode, page, the arrow key is in the plus minus. Here's your power top button. There's your dimmer. And there's your fuel door release and trunk release down below. On this side here, we've got the controls for the information center. So as we hit that, we flip through different items there. So that's there. And your wiper control over here. And then we've got our push button start. There's your radio. So we've got AM, FM, CD, and XM. Let me just double check that for you. Yes, we do have XM, so that's there. And down below we've got our dual zone climate control. We've got our heated seats for passenger and driver. And then there's your nice manual 6-speed shifter, so it's a good feel. And then down here we've got a cup holder. We've got our traction control on and off. In here we've got the wheel lock key and a 12-volt socket. And again, that's that nice titanium gray. What a great color combo in this car. Looks great. Up top you've got your dimming mirror, and you've got compass lights in there as well, and a compass up in the top. On here we've got our garage door openers, so those are there. And let's go ahead and put the top up so I can show you the operation of that. There it is. And then all I have to do is pull this in place, lock it down. There it is. And we'll put our windows up. And now let's hop out with it running and have a look and listen. Open that up. Nice sounding car. There it is from the front. What a sharp car. And let's scan down this side here for you. Looks great. Nice chug. And I'll just go over the top for you. So here's the top. Top's in really good shape, no rips, no tears. These little marks here, those are just rubbing, the top rubbing against itself when it goes down. Every convertible I've seen has those. That's normal. And I'll just get over on this side so you can see the complete thing. Looks great. All right. There you have it, folks. 2007 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT convertible here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.